do you feel about your background? You can always improve as we continue on to the next steps. For now, we will keep rolling along, and you will have time to change anything before you submit. We're going to tackle the workflow. The workflow is your app's process. It is really an algorithm, the step-by-step rules that guide your app. That's computational thinking at its core. Your workflow shows how the app will start, how it will respond, and what happens next. A strong workflow equals a clear path for the user. Why does a clear path matter? Keeps users engaged. If people don't know what to do next, they'll get confused or give up. A clear path makes the app easy and enjoyable to use. Builds trust. When an app responds in a companionical way, users feel like it gets them. This makes your app more reliable and believable. Connects to your goal. Your app isn't just about talking. It's about helping someone solve a real problem. A step-by-step workflow guides them toward that solution. Shows your thinking. A clear workflow proves you understand your problem, your audience, and how AI can help. This connects directly to the design checklist criteria. Bottom line, a strong workflow equals a strong user experience. Let's get started. Good luck.